Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is for all HP users out there that might have a problem with a blue screen of death that is happening randomly since Patch Tuesday. So this month there was of course the Patch Tuesday, but one of the updates that was labeled KB4557699 is causing issues for a small number of HP users. It's not everybody, but there's a number of HP users that do have a blue screen of death that is random. So you're using your PC and then suddenly it says Kmode exception not handled error. If you have that random problem, it's not a Windows problem. So of course everybody, including I've seen some tech websites saying, well, okay, here goes Windows update and Microsoft screwed PCs again. It has nothing to do with Windows itself. Windows is fine. It's really a HP problem. So it's a software component on HP that is suddenly incompatible with Windows Defender. You know, when I say a lot of brand and PC makers put too much crap on their PCs, well, this is an example where a crap on an HP computer is causing an issue with Windows Update. I often say it that the majority of problems in Windows are not even Windows problems. They're problems with third-party software. Well, this is an example. And of course, it falls upon and on so many websites, people just saying, you know, oh, well, you know, that's it, another update that screws. It isn't. The update is relatively safe, and you know, the background noise isn't higher except for the HP guys. So basically, what do? HP has issued a update. So through Windows Update, you will see something called HP Software Component 4.1.4.3079. And it fixes the issue of the Kmode exception not handled error. So it's a conflict between HP software and Windows Defender updates. And that just shows you the crap that these companies always put you at risk of problems. And of course, when you have problems, everybody goes where? And they scream, oh, Windows is the problem. Well, a great example here of HP's the problem. So, you know, there's what I find sad is a lot of websites have actually pushed this and talked about, oh, well, you know, Windows screwing up again. It's not. HP screwing up. And now you have an update. So if you are plagued with a Kmode exception not handled error, blue screen, random, just go to Windows Update. You should see HP Software Component 4.1.4.3079 pushed to you guys. It fixes the problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And by the way, even if you don't have a blue screen, if you see this update appear, install it just to be safe.